Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Sheen. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to get roughly $38,000 in gains in the stock market in 2020. Guys, if you haven't yet already, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't yet. Check out my links in the description below for free stocks and free money. It really helps out the channel, and I appreciate it when you use my links. So anyways, like I said, right now it is New Year's Eve, so smash that thumbs up for a New Year's Eve video for you guys. It's New Year's Eve, literally the last day of the year, and I started this channel kind of to document my journey of investing in the stock market. I literally started investing in 2020, basically in December and January. I started this portfolio that you see right now on your screen. Literally in January, I started this portfolio. And this, like I said, this is just for me to document my journey of investing. I don't claim to be a genius. I don't claim to be, a fantastic stock picker. I'm literally a newbie in the stock market. And so I am just thankful and lucky that I've done so well, and I picked 2020 to be the year to start investing. But I want to share with you really two things that I did that made me be in the position that I am in right now. So this is one of my earlier videos. This was literally in March. I put out this video. It was my portfolio, reveal after the market crash of 2020. And you see, I was down 36% on this portfolio. Like literally, I started investing and the stock market crashed, and down 36%. For somebody to begin investing in the stock market and just to be losing so much money, you really have to stick with it is what I learned. So anyways, these were my stocks back in March of 2020. And before you guys leave a comment and saying you are all picking Jeremy stocks, well, yeah, I'm not ashamed to say it. A lot of my stocks are Jeremy stocks. Hey, I'm in the stock market to make money, and if Jeremy stocks are making money, I'm going to buy stocks that make money. So I'm not ashamed to say it. So, leave a negative comment if you want to. Like I said, I literally am a beginner in the stock market, and, I could use all the help I can get. And if it's there, I'll be a fool not to take it, right? So anyways, my portfolio in the beginning was Tesla, 3M, Skyworks Solutions, Starbucks, Uber, STM Microelectronics, Carnival Cruise Lines, Revolve, and Planet 13. And like I said, it was, I had about $8,000 in the account, and I was down already $4,000. So, very bad start in the very beginning. So this is my portfolio now. So one of the things I did learn is I need to really condense my portfolio. I had well over 30 stocks at one point, and that's one thing I did learn in 2020 is I was way too diverse. I needed to be more focused, put more money on the winners, and not just buy every single stock out there. So I am really working on that and continuing to work on that, trying to cut my positions down. So when my good stocks do run, I do get really good gains if I put more money into it. So that is one thing that I'm really working on, trying to condense my positions. So believe it or not, I have condensed my portfolio a lot, even though I do still have a lot of positions. So my current positions right now are Hyliion, Fisker, Carnival, Beyond Meat, iQIYI, DMYI. These are the units, DMY Technology, Dropbox, BFT, which is going to be PaySafe, Workhorse, Golden Nugget Online Gaming, Pershing Square, Cirrus Logic, Skyworks Solutions, Open Door, Lordstown Motors, Planet 13, Archimoto, Nordstrom, Upwork, Revolve, Switchback Energy, which is going to be ChargePoint, and of course Tesla. I was buying Tesla when it was at $100 in this particular portfolio. I am up 584%, and without a doubt, Tesla is anchoring this portfolio. And if it wasn't for Tesla, my portfolio will look a lot different. So anyways, right now this portfolio is worth roughly $71,000. Does not account roughly about $3,000 in gains that I've already booked and took profits on. So right now it's calculating me at roughly 100%, and my gains right now is roughly $34,588. So one of the things I want to show you is basically going through the months. So overall, my ending balance as of November. So this does not take into the month of December, but as the end of November, my total was 65,475, and I totally deposited roughly 34,900. So roughly $35,000 is what I put into this portfolio, and gains as of end of November was 30,526. So literally, like I said, in January, I had $0. I started this in January. So my first deposit was $4,600, and then I wanted to fast forward to March. So March was when the stock market crashed, and I took advantage of the situation. This is one of the things that I really did do that was able to put me in the position I am today. Is when the stock market was crashing 30%, 50%, 60% overall. I was buying stocks. People were selling good companies for dirt cheap prices, like I said, selling Tesla for $100, $90. I think it got down to roughly $80, $80 or $90. I think it got down to, before the split. And like, I was buying. Fortunately, I didn't buy at the very, very lows. I think Tesla was, yeah, I think it was about $80, $90 it went down to, if I remember correctly. Also, like Disney, I bought Disney about $90-ish dollars, under $100. I was buying Disney. So, good companies selling for dirt cheap prices, ridiculously low prices. And, I took advantage of the situation. That was one thing I did learn in 2020 is when people are scared and running for the streets, running for the hills, that is the perfect time to get in and scoop up some really, really good companies for really dirt cheap prices. And one of the reasons that you could do that is if you have money ready on the side. So in March, I was able to funnel $11,531. Unfortunately, I did withdraw $3,000 of that, so roughly $8,000 went in March. And one of the key things that allowed me to do that, and I haven't shared in any of my videos, this information, it's really this. I took advantage of the situation. The mortgage companies were allowing people to put their mortgages on forbearance, and they really didn't require any information, any documentation. You just basically had to apply for it, and they gave it to you. So if you don't know what it is, basically mortgage forbearance is they allow you not to pay your mortgage. You eventually do have to pay once the forbearance is over, but for the meantime, it was 3 months, and I extended it to 6 months, and extended it to 9 months, and extended it up to 12 months. So literally, I haven't had to pay my mortgage for the whole time of 2020. I need to start paying it back. I think April is when it's due. So every single month that is due will be due in April. So this is not for somebody that is not disciplined. I was able to funnel money into the stock market because I didn't pay my mortgage, but I also had to be disciplined and put money aside to build up enough money to pay my mortgage back when April comes around. So I have been putting money aside, but I was able to funnel big chunks of money in the early, in March, April, May. And that was a big thing that allowed me to build my portfolio so quickly and take advantage of the situation back in March when the stock market was crashing. So I just want to show you in April, I put in another $4,100. In June, I put in another $7,300. And so far, in July, I put in another roughly $7,000. So in total, I put roughly $34,900, and I was able to get a lot of that bulk in back in March, April, May. So that was a big thing, taking advantage of the forbearance situation and putting that money into the stock market for it to grow when the stock market was crashing. That was the biggest thing. So as of November 30th, my total gains was $65,000. Of course, that does not account for the whole month of December. So roughly $30,000 in gains as of end of November. So overall, my portfolio is now $71,278, and that does not account for roughly $3,000 that I already took in profits. So my gains currently is $34,588. So basically, that's it. That was the whole thing. Putting my mortgage on forbearance, taking advantage of the situation, and putting that money into the stock market and taking advantage of all the dirt cheap prices back in March and April and May. So guys, that's that's for me just documenting my information. If you guys found some value in my videos, consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up, really helps out the channel. Hope you have a fantastic new year and have a fantastic 2021. Hope you are safe and healthy, and continue investing, take advantage of the situations when they arise. Put money on the side so you have money to take advantage of situations when the stock market crashes again. So guys, thank you so much. Consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up. Peace.